In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a website quickly using UX kits in Figma so you can speed up your workflow and avoid starting from a blank canvas. Start by opening Figma and creating a new design file. Next, open the resources or community section and search for UX kits. Browse through the available kits and choose one that matches the style and type of website you want to create. Once you've found a suitable kit, open it in Figma and review the included components, layouts, and page sections. Most UX kits include ready-made elements such as navigation bars, hero sections, feature blocks, forms, testimonials, and footers. Copy the sections you want to use and paste them into your own project file. Now begin customizing the design by replacing placeholder text, images, colors, and fonts with your own branding and content. You can rearrange sections, remove elements you don't need, and combine components from different kits to create a unique design. As you build your pages, keep your layers organized and maintain consistent spacing throughout the layout. Using UX kits helps you focus on customization and content instead of rebuilding common website elements from scratch. Once your design is complete, review the layout, make any final adjustments, and prepare it for prototyping or developer handoff. And that's it! You've successfully designed a website faster using UX kits in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.